Yes, good morning, YouTubers. I'm gonna do good afternoon, really. I'm gonna do some curry chicken. I cut up a whole chicken, so I'm gonna do some curry chicken. And this is the way I cut up my chicken. And this I have carrot, onion, lots of garlic, bell pepper, thyme, and the whole chicken. That is the chicken, right? What I'm gonna cut up, I'm gonna show you the season now. This is the Maggi season. Maggi season. Ginger powder. Okay? This is how I do it. And I have some jerk sauce that I put in this backer. My own jerk sauce, right? You can see. So I'm gonna do it up with some curry. I have the curry. My curry is here. This is the curry. Okay? You can look at it and see the curry. Look at the curry. Look at the curry. Hold it. Hold it over here. Let me see. Video me. Yeah. No, turn it around. Let me see. You have to charline? Yeah. Yeah. This is the curry, right? The Jamaican Aunty curry, right? So this is what I'm gonna do, put in it. So soon you're gonna see a next color. So I want you to like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Subscribe down below. Touch the notice button. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to it. Like up the channel, man. Do it up, man. Time. So this is the way I'm doing it now, right? So I'm gonna do it up now. So you soon see a next color.